Did you know that as of July 2018, Google Chrome will start displaying all HTTP websites as not secure? Not only that, they will continue to devalue your website in their search rankings until you install an SSL certificate and move your website over to an HTTPS secure version. I'm Andrew Webber from the marketing department, the place small businesses turn to for marketing advice. And in this video, I'm going to show you why your business needs to install an SSL certificate right now, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Since September 2016, Google has been on a mission to secure the web. In their own words, they want to help their users browse the web safely. Google has been pushing website owners to install SSL certificates and move over to HTTPS versions of their websites for almost 2 years now. And July is D-Day for your website. So as a general rule, if Google recommends something for 2 years, it's wise to listen. But what is an SSL certificate? Well, to put it simply, it's the extra S in the HTTPS, and it means your connection to that website is secure and encrypted. And any data you enter will be safely shared with that website. SSL itself stands for Secure Sockets Layer, and it's a technology that keeps sensitive information like credit cards, usernames and passwords out of the hands of cyber criminals and hackers. But how does an SSL certificate actually work? First, the SSL encrypts or scrambles the data while it passes the information between websites or web servers. Once the data reaches the intended recipient, it is then unencrypted. Your website's SSL certificate also tells visitors that you are the verified and legitimate owner of your website. So what are the benefits of switching to a secure website? Well, the obvious one is that your website will now be marked by Google Chrome as secure, which will help to build better trust with the users and visitors of the site. You'll now have better security, encryption and confidentiality of all your data, and you'll be able to take secure credit card transactions on your website. And not to mention, you get the cool padlock and green bar in web browsers. Seems like a no-brainer, right? Well, it is, but there is one major risk when switching over to a secure website. One potential issue that could cause your business and your website some serious trouble. And that is, if you don't install your SSL certificate correctly, your website could potentially lose all of its Google rankings overnight. Why? Google treats this HTTPS version as a completely different version of your website. So unless you have the correct redirections in place, your site could drop down the rankings and you could lose all of that Google search traffic you've worked so hard to get. You need to tell Google, using their own language, that your new website is now located at a different address. Seem complicated? Well, it kind of is. But fortunately, we've created a step-by-step guide showing you exactly how to install an SSL certificate and implement a seamless redirection strategy so you don't lose any of those Google rankings. We'll have your website marked as secure in no time. All you have to do is download our step-by-step SSL checklist below. And look, if you're not confident in web servers and web design, we highly recommend contacting your web developer or your SEO specialist and getting their assistance installing an SSL certificate on your website. And as always, if you've got any questions, just let us know in the comments right now.